Discovering the power of negative questions. What? Unleashed. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of conversational English with a specific focus on asking and answering questions. More importantly, we'll be unlocking the secrets of the question word, what, in negative questions. Understanding how to use what in negative questions can be a game changer in your English speaking journey. First things first, what is a negative question? Well, a negative question is one that is formed by adding not into a basic question structure. For example, instead of asking, do you like coffee? Which is a positive question, you could ask, don't you like coffee? Which is a negative question. Now, onto our main topic of the day, the word what in negative questions. Why is it so important? Using what in negative questions can completely change the meaning and tone of your conversation. It adds an element of surprise or disbelief. For instance, consider the question, what, don't you like coffee? Here, the speaker is surprised that the other person might not like coffee. Creating negative questions with what isn't difficult. Here's the usual structure. What? Negative question. Or, if you're expressing disbelief at something not happening or being done. What? Subject plus hasn't. Haven't plus past participle. For example, what? You haven't finished the report. In this case, the speaker can't believe that the report isn't finished. Responding to these negative questions can be a bit tricky, especially for non-native speakers. To keep things simple, remember that a yes response generally agrees with the negative part of the question. For instance, in response to, what, don't you like coffee? If you say, yes, it means, yes, it's true. I don't like coffee. Well, that's all for today's lesson, language learners. We hope this guide to using what in negative questions helps you add depth and variety to your English conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, don't shy away from using what you've learned today. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using what in negative questions like a pro. Until next time, happy learning.